Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about my project in speech recognition. It is use X vector in place of I vectors in Tedlium ASR examples. And first, we're going to talk about what is I vector and what is X vector. Most of them are vectors extracted for speaker recognition. And I vectors are reduced from GMM, the Gaussian mixture model's supervector. And it uses total variability space, which means that it do not strictly divide the difference of speakers and difference of channels. And some of the training process is unsupervised. So maybe the more data we put, the worse result we could get. And according to research, this I vector could work better in shorter audio than the X vector. And for X Factor, we know that it is state-of-art strategies in speaker recognition. It could use TDNN to extract them. And it works better with large amount of data since the neural network should solve overfitting by using more data, and it could inherit some I vectors backend strategies. And then we're gonna try to use these vectors in speaker recognition to the speech recognition. Here's my roadmap. Firstly is I try to understand how X Factor works in a speaker recognition scenario, for example, in SRE16 project. And in this pipeline, we could say that we want to focus on the later parts, the vector extraction model training, the vector extraction, and the scoring part. And after that, I could try to understand how I vectors works in Tedlium samples. And as far as I know that it is used in the 17th process to run tdn.sh. And after we extracted the I vectors, it used LDA. And then we could try to transfer or retrain the model from the SRE16 to the Tedlium examples. And if it is possible, we will use other enhancing strategies like PCA or PLDA. And for the dataset or project, we choose Tedlium and SRE16. And for the result expectation, we are not quite sure since the X vector might get worse when it is dealing with short audio, but since it is a 3 minute chunk of audios, maybe it will get a better result. And that's it. Thanks you all.